solve the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. It is already in standard form, so it's very easy to identify. A is -2, B is -4, C is going to be +1. Always start with a template version of your formula with blanks everywhere that letters are supposed to go. All over to A. All right. The B was worth -4, -4. Then A's are -2s. C was a 1 in this case. All right. Starting with the top left, opposite of -4 would be +4. On the bottom, we have 2 times -2. That is -4. And using a calculator to help us simplify what's inside the root, we have parentheses -4 squared minus 4 times -2 times 1. 24 would go inside the square root. We should always check, can I simplify that square root of 24? Yeah, 24's got some factors to it, so let's take some extra space over here and break down our 24. We could go 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3, 3 and 1. So do I have any pairs? Yes, I have a pair of 2's. Out of that, I can factor out a 2. I think I'm going to have square root of 6 left over. So let's rewrite our answer a little bit here. We have 4 plus or minus, we got -4 on the bottom. We're going to have a 2 square root of 6 left over. And when we have something like this, notice how our fraction has 4, 2, and -4. That 6 is not an actual 6, it's a square root of 6, so don't consider that. We have a 2 attached to it. 4, 2, and 4, we can simplify all those just like a normal fraction by dividing those or reducing those by a factor of 2. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to say 2 plus or minus 1 square root of 6 over -2. All those are simplified. Remember, we leave the square root of 6 alone. Split your answer apart, and we will consider this done. X equals 2 plus, I'll forget the 1 because the 1 doesn't do anything. Square root of 6 over -2. And 2 minus square root of 6 over 2. Yikes, those got wild. If you can simplify your square root, you must.